Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Toolkit. My name is Sakshi and in today's module 3 we will learn about the Snowflake architecture. So Snowflake architecture is the multi-clustered shared data architecture. It is the hybrid traditional shared disk and the shared nothing database architecture. So you can see this is a single integrated system with the three layers: storage resources, compute resources and the cloud services. So you can see here in the storage resources, it could be anything like AWS, GCS and the means Google BigQuery, or might be Azure database. In the compute resources, we can execute the query, and in the cloud services, it is held for the authentication and the access control. It is manage the infrastructure, optimizer, transaction manager, security and the metadata. And if you see the difference between the shared and the shared nothing, so in the shared, if something happened to the cluster, there will be no impact because it is stored data on the cluster. For example, Oracle data. In shared nothing, no data movement is there, so it cannot share the data, and each computer has separate storage, for example Hadoop. If we talk about the warehouse sizes, you can see the credit usage per hour. So you can see there is the X small, small, medium, large, extra large, 2x large, 3x large and 4x large size is available. So X to 4x large. Starting from 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. For 2x it is 32, 3x 64 and 4x 128. So from 1 to 128. So this will be the interview question, guys. So for the medium, how many credit usage per hour? So you can give the answer 4, or it can be anything. Then key features of the Snowflake. So Snowflake is provide the security, governance and the data protection, apps and extensibility. It is also provide the standard and extended SQL support, connectivity, tools and interfaces, different tools and interfaces, data import and export. It is also have the ability of the replication and the failover and the data sharing. And if we talk about the pricing, there are standard, enterprises, business critical and virtual private Snowflake. So if we talk about the standard, per credit it is $2, enterprise $3, business critical is $4. If you want to know in detail, then you can go through the free trial account. There is a pricing session, you can see this. In the virtual private Snowflake, it includes all the features of the business critical editions, but it completely separates Snowflake environment, isolated from all other Snowflake account. Now we'll talk about the Snowflake interview question. What interview question will be asked on the architect or architecture? So interview question will be like, what are the three layers of Snowflake? So we already seen storage layer, query processing and the cloud services. What layer refer to as muscle of the system? So query processing is called muscle of the system. And what layer is often referred to as the brain of the system? So cloud services is known as the brain of the system or the Snowflake. We use the virtual warehouse as a compute resource to process queries. It is true or false? So answer is true. We are using the compute resources for the queries. Then a virtual warehouse of this size M has how many servers running to process queries? I have already covered this question. So there are 4 servers. So guys, this is all about the architecture. If you feel this video is informative and if you enjoy this content, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you.